Hello friends, welcome back to my trading channel. I was busy with some works, that's why I can't able to make videos nowadays. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss about how to find support and resistance level manually on a chart. It's very simple. So this is CanFin Home. So in this chart, this is a previous day. In this chart, how to get the support and resistance level. What are the area more candles are touching? You just mark it. Here this more candles are touching in this area, so you just mark a line here. So this is act as a major point. You can use this level as a support and resistance also, and wait for the next day. See, next day, that means today market is open here. See, this is the market opening candle. It's open above the level, that means it's act as a support. But you see, it comes down and break the support, and it comes little bit down, then it goes up. So as per our strategy is, whenever the candle is closed below the line, we are going for sell, and if the green candle closed above the line, then go for buy. Either it's support or resistance. In like that way, we are going to sell here and place the stop loss here. Whenever you sell based on this strategy, just place stop loss here above the candle high, either here or here. It's just for safety. Sometimes this type of huge candles are formed. So if you didn't place stop loss, sometimes we may suffer huge loss. That's why whenever you enter, you just place a stop loss. Okay. For safety stop loss, this is a safety stop loss. Okay, then just watch it. So here we are going to sell, but it didn't come down. Instead of it's pull back, and it's closed above the support level. That means market is buy trend. What you do is just cancel the stop loss and exit here, and again you are going for buy. Okay, that means here we suffer loss of 316.85 our sell level, and we exit here 318.15, around 2 rupees we are lost here, and we are again going to take buy here, that means 380.10, and in that case we are placing stop loss here, and if any candle close below this level, you can exit it. Okay, and here we got the second entry 318.15 level. See, that candle is goes to 323.75. Like that you can find any stocks. Suppose crude oil, this is a crude oil today's chart. See, more candles are touching in this area, so you just mark that area, then wait for the breakout. See, it's a breakout and it comes down. Okay, so this is very simple. You just open any chart and find out which area more candles are touching, and just mark it like this. This is Fire's web chart. Those who wish to open Fire's account, just click the link below in the description box. You can open account online, and you will get TradingView chart. It's very useful chart. There are so many indicators, and it's very user friendly. And if you want to share this chart to your friends, here you can see a camera icon. Just click it and save chart. See, you can save the chart also, so in future reference you can use it. You just mark the levels on the chart and save it, and weekend you just check it. So it will be helpful for learning. And those who wish to join my Telegram channel, just search Nicholas Nilo on Telegram. You will get this Telegram channel link and just join it. Every day I am posted 3 stocks with the support and resistance level, and the same strategies I am using. So first you just mark the levels on the chart, and after 9:20, and if any candles are closed below the chart, then go for sell. If it's a close above the chart, then go for buy. Actually, this is for education channel. Those who wish to learn how to trade support and resistance base, you can join this channel. Hope it will be helpful for you. And if you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasnilo2017@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasnilo.com. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another trading video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.